boys and girls, how are you today? And welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna show you how to install Reels downloader, Instagram Reels downloader with your Android phone. Before it, as you know, Instagram is application to share photo and video in social network founded by Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger in April. Facebook acquired the service, and now, as you know, Instagram is owned by Facebook. Okay, let's go to Play Store, and you can find Instagram Reels downloader. You can find many applications after you search it. You can choose one. I can choose this Reels video download for Instagram. Okay, just waiting for seconds. Okay, it's successful installed, and you can find application on your phone. Okay, what is Reels? Instagram Reels is a new way to create and discover short entertaining videos on Instagram. Is just like a TikTok, and if you using YouTube, you can see it's like a YouTube Shorts video. Record and edit is about 10 seconds maybe, and multi-clip videos with audio effects and new creative tools. You can share reels with your followers on feed, and if you have a public account, and make them available to the wider Instagram community through a new space in Explore. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how to download Reels video from Instagram. For first, open your Instagram application, and you can see at the middle, at bottom, this is Reels. This is Reels. Reels. So if you want to download, you can. For example, I want to try this one. I want to save this video. Save this video. For the first, you have to copy link and go back to application with this video downloader and paste on the form and click download. Allow this video download to access photo and media on your device. Yes, allow it, and just wait for seconds.
Treasure, I'm coming.
And you got it. A new video
Try this way.
from
Yes. Treasure, here I am.
This is already on your phone. Okay. You can check it on the media maybe, or you can edit it, or you can re-upload it to other social media platforms like TikTok or YouTube Short or Likey. You can find it like you can find it on the my video maybe. find it on the gallery. Or you can reopen the video.
Try again. Let's use the water to eliminate the lava first. Oh yeah. Treasure. I'm coming.
This is already on your phone, okay? This
Let's
is
try
already
this
on
way.
your phone.
Awesome.
Okay guys,
Treasure.
it's very simple to download Reels Instagram video, and you can try it on your phone. Okay, just this is from me, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, bye bye.